Seabirds eat fish and other seafood that they catch while swimming. Feeding in the ocean means swallowing a lot of salt water. To stop them from dehydrating, they need a way to get rid of that excess salt. So seabirds have a gland right above their eyes called the supraorbital gland, or salt gland, that filters salt from their bloodstream. It's then excreted through their nares or nostrils as sort of a briny liquid. Often this salty fluid drips out and gives the appearance of a runny nose, or can even discolor their feathers. But they will also expel it by exhaling or shaking their heads. It does look a bit like they're sneezing, but they're just getting rid of a bit of salt. They still might need a tissue though.